This hood has 3 types of protection: a $16 legendary spray sealant, a 7-month Fusso coat liquid sealant that should last longer than your regular spray, and a 1-year ceramic coating that is your easy step into true ceramic coatings. Same hood, same prep, and 2 months of real outside daily driving, and the result was not close. And there's one weird detail about Soft 99 that I did not want to hide. So basically here we have 3 different products that have similar promises: easy prep, easy to install, great durability, great chemical resistance, and high performance. So this is not just about who beats water better. This is really about whether monthly spray sealant top-ups still make sense after you compare them to something a little bit more serious. So I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. We're going to have 2 wash or 2 maintenance update on this, and I can't wait to show you guys the results. The links are going to be down below as usual, my friends. With that, let's jump right into it. Before anyone judges the water behavior, this is the part that matters. The hood was not just quickly wiped down and split into sections. I washed the car, chemically decontaminated the paint, polished the hood, then used a panel prep before applying anything. By the way, my friends, if you find values into my videos, please show me your support by subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much. So every product started on clean, corrected paint with the best chance to bond properly. The hood was taped into 3 sections: turtle wax, ice, seal and shine on the left, Soft 99 Fusso coat F7 in the middle, and GYEON CanCoat Evo on the right. Each product got its own applicator, its own towel, and then I followed the instruction as closely as possible. Now, is this a laboratory test? No, this is a real daily driven SUV sitting outside, seeing real weather, real contamination, and normal washes. But that's kind of the point, because most people do not apply protection in a lab. They apply it to a real car, then expect it to survive real life. So for me, this was fair enough to answer the question I actually care about. After a month or 2 outside, which type of easy protection still looks strong? Products had a few hours of cure time. I then sent the car back home for a full month before the first maintenance wash. I chose Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine because it's widely accepted as the gold standard spray sealant and one of the best value out there. And they claim durability up to 6 months. For this test, I also picked up F7 from Soft 99 because it's a Fusso coat product and they claim 7 months of protection. It's a PTFE product, and I was really curious to compare it to a 1-year coating and one of the best spray sealant. Now, if you have ever been curious about what a true ceramic coating can do against a spray sealant, well, you're in luck because I brought GYEON CanCoat. This is a true 1-year ceramic coating that is solvent-based. You can get real high spots with this one, but this is super easy to apply and to wipe off. By the way, F7 is a new product for me, so I decided to apply it on the rest of the car just to test it a little bit more in depth. Initial rinse. That's GYEON. So that's a GYEON. That's your F7. And this is Turtle Wax. By the way, I'm using the same soap for the pre-wash and for the contact wash. This is GYEON Bathe.
Okay. So you can tell it's ceramic coating from GYEON, extremely nice. F7 does not look very good there. And Total Wax a bit degraded, but still there after a month.
My friends, after this step, don't forget there's a second month update coming up. Then I use a gentle acid shampoo to clean the paint a little bit deeper. Before we get there, if you want to support the channel and save a little bit of cash, don't forget you can use the coupon code Dogma at your favorite distributors such as Car Supplies Warehouse, thehouseofrags.com, qcsupplies.ca, carzilla.ca, and many more.
So F7 on the hood, but as soon as you get to the fender, it gets better, not perfect. And then front bumper. So my guess, the flat surfaces, including the roof, are having a hard time resisting the UVs, probably. Near the door handle, bottom. Yeah, bottom is really stout.
We then dry the paint, detail the rest of the car, and send the car back to its home for another month.
Okay, let's give it a wash with GYEON Bathe pH neutral soap. But before that, we'll do a pre-wash foam. GYEON Bathe pH neutral soap. Let's give it a wash. Okay, GYEON CanCoat 1 year coating. Middle is F7 from Soft 99. Real flat. I'd call this pretty much dead. You can see that slow rate of sheeting at the top. And Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. Yeah, so after 2 months, looks okay, but needs to be reapplied for sure. Okay, 1 large shot. Do you feel bumps or contamination?
Yeah, here.
Okay, so here I have RNX GYEON Top. We'll use RNX first and see if we can remove those bumps or actually improve something here. So I'm gonna spray this on the car. We have the sun beating on the car right now, so I'm gonna try to be fast. So those bumps are suspect. After a month they were there, and still here after 2 months I can still feel them. So spray the iron remover on the paint. So as I sprayed Iron X, I can see those tiny little iron spots getting melted down. There seems to be all around the car, more here. And you can see the iron remover is drying, so I'm gonna reapply before it gets too late. Clearly this is happening here, the decontamination is real. Prends ça. Let me feel if there's still bumps. Oh yeah, that's much better. I wouldn't say it's perfect though. So apply some of that GYEON tar, which is a solvent citrus base. Wipe it in. Now I'm working the sun. Obviously this is not ideal. I recommend try to find shade, but for the purpose of this video, I'm doing this like so. I rinse it really quick, just trying the front, if we can see a difference. You can see the tape lines now. Now, to make sure we remove all the residues, I'm going to reapply some of the GYEON bait. Au milieu, pas. Get this cleaned up. So as you try to decontaminate sealants, spray sealants, water-based spray sealants, they tend to die, as you can see here. That's your total wax. And now, yeah, F7 was already not very nice. And your ceramic coating resists those. Tell me in the comment section if you feel like it took a hit, or is it as good or even better than before? Same direction. Yeah, so here it looks really unaffected. Does turtle wax seal and shine still make sense after watching this video? Please let me know your thoughts down below and subscribe if you haven't already. My friends, personally, I think this is still the easiest and the fastest form of protection without any semi-permanent high spots and under $16 Canadian, but only after 1 month you already have some reduced performance, and after 2 months you for sure have to reapply. So keep that in mind when choosing your preferred way of protecting the paint. Overall, I was really disappointed with its performance on the hood, but as you've seen on the rest of the car, looked great. So we'll have to test this one once more on a different car in the future. If you're tired of spray sealants, tired of reapplying all the time, and you want a product that lasts and that performs over a long period of time, I'm going to recommend a 1-year ceramic coating, and the GYEON CanCoat is one of the easiest that I've used. As I said, I've tested this one so many times. Great value as well, easy to use. You can apply it with
a simple towel, or you can use a block just to get a thicker and more even layer. As you guys have seen, this is another world in terms of performance. And yeah, I enjoy this one so much, my friends. I cannot recommend it enough. For more product testing and comparisons, watch these right here. And for my own decontamination process, watch that right there. Super smooth.